And so the hardest thing is like, what do you do for the intro? You know?
Say, hey guys, today we're doing blah blah blah.
Hey guys, today we're doing blah blah blah. All right. Anyway, what's up, guys? We're back with the R1. We went ahead and got the new tire mounted and ready to go. This thing is sweet. Hindsight's 2020. Before I put the tire on the new rim, or had the tire put on the new rim, I wanted to paint the Pirelli logos. Probably should have waited until I got the tire mounted first because the machine ate it up. But anyway, we're going to go back over it on this tire and the front tire so they match. And I just think it's a nice little touch on these sport bikes, just make them look extra sporty. We're going to try to put this thing back on. All right, and somehow I was able to finagle this wheel without the removal of the caliper. So we're going to try that again. I think the hardest part is going to be slipping the rotor in between the brake pads. I think it's doable though. We're going to try it. I'm going to have to clean all this up and add some new grease. So we are in the middle of some renovations and did some electrical work today. Brought some lights down and some sawdust. Got on some things. You always want to clean this stuff up. Good thing to do it with. Something like this. These things are great. And they clean really well. And then you can apply fresh grease when you get done. And go ahead and reinstall this axle. It'll come out easier in future use. It won't be really noisy. Ta-da. We're clean. All these metal bits, like this is a spacer for the wheel on the left hand side, and then there's another one on the right hand side. Slightly different design because of the caliper bracket and everything, but you need to pay attention to your orientation when you remove these because you want to reinstall them to the bike correctly. And I need to do a chain service. Next video we do is going to be hopefully retapping this drive axle for that front sprocket because somebody welded a collar onto it, and I showed that in one of my previous videos. Hopefully we'll be getting around to that fix, and then this bike will be almost mechanically where I'd like it, I'd say. A couple more things I'd like to do, but you should be able to see it up there.
Yeah, it's showing the battery, I think.
What's the battery look like?
Actually, it's the battery of this.
Is it? Is that like half?
Yeah.
Yeah. I figure that's probably about what it would have been. And these are dirty. I really need like a little table or something. I guess I can use these boxes. I just don't like stuff rolling around. Stay. Hey, stay. Stay. Good shaft. All right. We had a trash bucket. Let me go grab it. It's handy. All right. Ooh, ooh. Oh, excuse me. Almost fell. All right. I'm just trying to clean everything up. Everything was disgusting. Road grime, grease, all that good stuff. I mean, while you're here, I mean, it doesn't hurt to just clean it up and put some fresh grease, you know? It's 2016. It's an old bike. Might as well. If it were a new bike, you probably wouldn't need to do this. You know, your first set of tires on your brand new R9 you just got. Hope you enjoy it. I'll get one eventually. Maybe an MT. I don't know. Or a Ducati. I do like the V4s. All right. This poor bike. when I first got it was in such a condition. I mean, you'd think 2016, yeah, it's alright, you know, not too bad. No, this poor thing, man. Been beat up and neglected. I've had to do a lot of work to get this thing back going. It was just seemed like most of it could have been avoided. Yeah, I mean, if you've seen any of my videos or been following me at all, you like, yeah. Okay. So the last tire was smaller. It was the wrong size. Ew. And once we get that up, we're going to need to wrap that around the sprocket and then bring everything all up in one piece perfectly. Is that possible? Usually not, no. Can I do it? Maybe. Alright, there's one spacer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. Let's see. Alright. And you might not have to. Let's see. Put our spacer in over there. Ooh. I'm going to take our high temp wheel bearing grease. Just take a little bit and put it on. And usually I would want to use gloves. I don't have gloves right now. I'm actually out of a lot of stuff. Got a lot going on. I'm going to set this somewhere I don't mind a lot of grease getting on, like this piece of paper. All your excess is going to come out and you're going to want to wipe it off, of course. Let's see. I feel like most people are way better prepared for this. Wipe all that grease off. Now the reason I like these, you can be less disposable with them. You can really reuse these a lot. But I just grab another one and go. You see, I'd already gotten a lot of grease on that one. Okay. All right. See if we can save that one. And now we're going to have to, now that we've got our spacers in, usually I'd say the caliper would have to be disconnected, and then you would worry about maintaining your bracket alignment for that caliper as you slide your axle in. But I'm going to try to do something even more difficult, is without removing the caliper, bring the whole wheel up with the disc and chain and everything, and then slide the axle in. I've successfully done it before. This bike looks like it's going to be a little bit harder. Truth is, we have got a lot going on. Shout out to my wonderful camera person tonight, my wife. She is awesome. Always supporting me and helping me. Alright, we've got the proper spacing for the brake rotor. Nope, we did it. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to disconnect the caliper and give myself a little bit more access to that. So you disconnect this upper, which is like a 5 or a 6 millimeter. Oh wow. Oh, that's why. It's a 5.5. Duh. Should have paid attention. see. Come on, just do what you're designed to do. There we go. This is going to make it easier to install this whole sheboing. I will come back to you later. But for now, we need you to slide off this bracket, please. Can you do that? Is that a thing you're capable of doing? Yes. There we go. It's just not greased. It needs to be greased badly. Ugh. Alright, our retainer has already fallen out. Alright. And we're lined up there. We don't have to worry about brake pad placement. We just need to get this a little bit more straight and then pop our axle in. Get it up. Alright. Yes. Alright. I'm in. Well, I was. Let's go back forward, please. Alright, where's the retainer? It has popped out, hasn't it? Alright, well, let's see if we can at least get this side started. Looks like we've gotten a leaf on our axle. Let's see. Woo! Alright, that started. So, now we need to start the other side. Oh, we're gonna have to edit that out because I forgot to put the chain on. Yep. Yep. I love working. Mississippi. Okay. That collar and that collar, yes, we need to fill out. There we go. Something had to give. It's probably this collar over here. If you can't tell, it's hot. And it's what, 9 o'clock at night? Yeah. We might as well be in the desert, yo. There's probably less humidity. Africa? Anybody want to go there? It's got to be better than this. We've done the same thing probably 6 times in a row now, but we're going to get it right this time. Why? That's what we do around here. We succeed. We don't give up. We might up, but we don't give up. We're going to bleep that out.
Yeah, we have a lot to bleep.
We're going to cut out a lot, and we're probably going to bleep that because that's funny. Most of the cussing gets cut out. All the cussing should get cut out, I hope. If it slipped through, please God, leave a comment on one of my videos so I can go back and take it down. Like, hey, you cussed in this video. Thank you so much. I do slip up. I'm trying not to on here. All right. So, we're going to retry stabbing this axle this time, but now we have our chain on this time. we want to bring this up and get this started. But I'm hitting this collar over here and we've lost it. If anybody's got an easier way of doing motorcycle wheels, I'm all ears. I mean, I've had to do it this way every time. Not to say there's probably a better way. It's the only way I know how to. This bracket just will not stay at all. We keep hitting it. All right. So close. Really? Right. Well, what do you do? You recover. Please tell me there's a better way. Going for it. We're gonna pass out, but we're going for it. Okay. Yes. Yes. That's done. In there. Take your washer. I'm gonna clean mine up, obviously. Put your washer on, put your nut on, torque the spec. After you've set your chain, of course. And that, guys, is it for tonight's video. I'm gonna finish this up, go take a shower. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.